So I'm about to blend Beeswax with Dammar Resin and Pigments together. I've zoomed in really close so you can see how the wax moves as it is heated up, and how it kind of starts to take a life of its own once it starts to move. So I've got a layer of turquoise and a layer of white wax in here, being fused together. And then now getting to the blending stage, which is where I'm going to mix the colours into each other. This form of painting is known as acoustic wax painting. And then as the wax cools, it kind of goes on its own journey, and always reminds me of the ocean. And it just moves until it solidifies, and then once it is cooled sufficiently, it will stay put in that finished design. If I like it, I keep it. If I don't, I keep fusing until I find a pattern that I like. If you want to find out more, go to artyheaven.com. You'll find my artwork there, and an online course on how to teach these how to do these techniques.